Hello there guys. So this is the application that we're going to be looking at. So it's an app I've done with Radsystems. So what you can do, maybe you can click on this and you have the option to select question. So if the question is wrong, it goes to the next one. If it is right, you get that green and you can continue. So this is a series of 10 questions. And as you can see here at the top, we have a counter. So what happens when this counter goes out or finishes is that it goes to the next question. So the application gives you points that you get when you finish the questions or other stuff. So it gives you 20 seconds to complete the question. If this is over, it goes to the next question, and so on and so forth. So for example, if I try and finish this question, you see it says quiz over, your score is 10. And yeah, so this application will be available for download in my Patreon. I'll put the link in the description. You can go there and download it. If you would like to support the channel, feel free to become a subscriber on Patreon. And yeah, so what you can do with this application is that you can have fun with it, try and make some features come to life. It does not have authentication, but I'll show you what to do. So in the file that you're going to download, you have the .rpf system file, and you also have the database. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a database called quizit. As you can see here, my database is called quizit, and that's it. But one thing you'll notice is when you're first publishing the application is that there are some files that I have unchecked here, which are this index.html, app.vue. So what you need to do is the first time you're going to do this is you need to check them back again, and then publish your application so that they get published. Right now, if you need to edit the API that I'm using is a custom endpoint here, and I'm just getting it from here. And as you can see, I'm putting the number of questions as 10. So if you need to change that or make it dynamic, you can change that. Now, if you want to use PHP instead of Node.js, you can just switch this to Laravel. Only that in our case, you'll need to create now this API using the Laravel, and that is all. So everything else in the front end will remain the same, and you don't need to worry about any of that. Right, so once you have done that, you can go ahead and make some changes. Like for example, here you notice I'm using this header looks a little bit different, so yours is going to be different. And the way that I've done this is I've edited the app.vue file in my front-end folder just to remove the header by default. So go ahead and have fun with this, and in case of any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and I will see you in the next video.